Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, button crafts ideas. Friends, so friends, let's start today's video. Button garden marker. Glue button on wooden stick and write plant names on them. Place them in your pots or garden. This cut marker shape and you remember what you planted. Button coaster. Glue button on around crock for or felt pieces. They make colorful coaster for your cup and glasses. Easy, useful and very pretty. Button Christmas tree. Make a small Christmas tree shape on cardboard and fill it with green button. Add red and golden button as decoration. Perfect handmade holiday crafts. Button cushion covers. Swing button on plain cushion in pattern like flower, star or circle. It adds a handmade style and brighten up your sofa or bed. Button lampshades. Decorate a plain lampshades with buttons all around. When you sit on the light, the colors shine through. It's give a cozy and creative touch to your room. Button management. Stick small management on the back of button. Place them on your fries or whiteboard. This button management look fun and also holds note or pictures easily. Glue button on plain hair clips. You can use one big button or many small buttons. It's make cute and colorful size for a kid and even for yourself. Button keychains. Take a strong thread and some colorful button. Arrange them in a small bunch and tie them with a keychain. Bring a quick and fun way to make your own button keychains. Here's button cards. Use buttons on to decorate. Creating cards, you can make buttons, balloons, button flowers or even a button rainbow. These handmade cards look creative and personal. Button home. Decorate jar. Take a old jar and cover it with button using glue. You can use it and as a pen holder, flowers vase or storage jar. This button jar adds a handmade touch to your room.